ASUS router not getting internet. Complete fix. Is your internet down again? I know that red light is frustrating. You want to work or relax, but your router says no. Do not worry, you can fix this yourself. I will guide you through every step. Please comment if you need help. I reply within 1 hour. Like and subscribe to TechVibes. First, we will power cycle your devices. This fixes most issues. Unplug your modem and router. Wait for 30 seconds. This resets the connection. Plug in the modem first. Wait for the lights to stay solid, then plug in your router. Next, we check your physical connections. Loose cables are a problem. Make sure the cable is in the WAN port. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. It must click in. Check the cable for damage. If it is bent or broken, try a new high-quality cable. Now look at the lights on your router. They tell us what is wrong. A white light means you are connected. A red light means no internet signal. We are fixing that today. A flashing green light means the system is starting up. Wait for it to turn white. This is the isolation test. We need to find the problem area. Connect your laptop directly to the modem. Skip the router. Open a website in your browser. If browsing works, the problem is the router. If not, call your service provider. Let us check your router settings. This is a very important step. Type 192.168.1.1 into your browser. Log in with your admin details. Go to WAN, then go to Internet Connection. Set it to automatic IP for most users. Go to Administration, then go to Firmware Upgrade. Click Check and Update if available. If nothing works, hold the reset button for 10 seconds. This is the last resort. You have done it. Your internet should be back now. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.